Speaking Code program is basically designed to prepare all the students to start a job, and the way we do it is by providing them with all the skills they need in the web dev. Obviously a 6-month period, which is quite a bit of time. At the same time, we give them the skills in the German language to adjust to the country and to improve their skills with focus on speaking. And finally, we have a third part of this program, which is focused on intercultural skills for the people. So that also kind of prepare them for the workspace in Germany, the life in Germany. Being a refugee myself who arrived in Germany in 2015 has given me so many tools and kind of energy and passion to do what I'm doing now. In the German system, it's pretty difficult especially for refugees and migrants, to fulfill their dreams, to get the education they need, because everything in education is pretty much restricted within universities and Ausbildungs. This is also why I'm quite passionate about building these shortcuts, these bridges, so they can fulfill their dreams and fulfill their potential without going through this maze of long bureaucratic processes. And despite how difficult things could be and challenging in Germany, from my experience, I do believe that consistency and keep pushing for what you want will get you there.